A tiny home begins with an empty chassis. Steel. Wheels. Nothing yet. The frame rises. Same forest, same light. Now there is a shape. Walls close. Roof arrives. A small box stands in the forest. Inside, everything is raw. Insulation, wires, empty space. The floor prepares. OSB boards, flat, solid, waiting for the next layer. Black primer spreads, matte, deep. The floor waits to become a mirror. Metallic epoxy pours. Silver veins form. The floor starts to reflect the sky. Epoxy cures. It is a mirror. The forest outside now lives under your feet. Furniture arrives. A small bed, folding table, kitchen cabinet. Everything has a place. Sunset. Golden light pours in. A lamp glows. The home is now alive. From outside, a small box in the forest. Smoke rises from the chimney.